Hey guys, these are my pet Coco and Lolo. I'd like to introduce them to you. I really like them. I really have fun with them. I just want to show you how I spend the Sunday with them. Are full flight, so they can fly wherever they want, as high as they want. I didn't clip their wings because if you do, the time they'll fly, they'll have muscle pain. And I don't want that happening. I just want to give them freedom. Gonna give some time for Coco to calm down. It takes him some time, so I'm gonna play with Lobo. Hello, bird. Hello, girl. You happy? You happy, bird? Oh, yeah. Good job. It's okay. It's okay. Nothing to worry about. Nothing to worry about. Lolo, girl. Here. See, guys? Before, she didn't like me. She never liked anyone. But now she changed. Now she's okay with humans. Before Lolo bonded with me, she was really bonded with my dad. When my dad left for work, and that time, she got bonded with me. You see? So this is a lesson. If the time that you have spent with them, or when you get back from work or school. Go. Go, baby. I'm gonna see if I can charge it.
I got the tight.
No, it's okay. Later. Coco! Let's see if we can get Coco now. Anna! Come. First Anna. See?
Chip, chip.
She's...
Wait. Chip, chip. Chip, chip.
Now, Amima, your turn. Calm. They like to fly. I don't mind. So now I'm gonna let them calm down a little bit. Hello, guys. Sometimes they can imitate you. Males can learn to imitate, but not females. Hello. But they mumble it under their words. Lolo, be good. It's She's definitely a happy bird. As you can see, my birds love to fly, and I love to see them fly. So that's the reason I didn't clip their wings. I want them to have freedom. This is not a jungle, So they can't have that much freedom, but I want to give them as much as freedom as I can. See, you see all these plants I put? Sometimes they land on here. Over here they eat it a little bit. They nibbled here a little bit. I don't mind. I also like to see them eat these plants. That's the reason I grow them. See? They eat it a little bit over here. And now look over here. They nibbled on this plant. You see? I like to see them. I like to see them having fun, eating their plants, and having their freedom. That's the reason I'm growing all these plants. So it could be a little natural. I may not be able to turn this house into a jungle, but I may be able to turn this place into some places in this house natural. Here. A little higher. You wanna eat? Okay. How about this? How about this? How about this? You're a good girl. You're a good girl. I don't have to tell Budgie's genders because you see this? This is a female because you see his nostrils. Beside it is the color pink. That tells it is a female. Personality. Lolo is kind of calm. Coco is really hyper. So Coco has a really big personality. He may be small, but he has a big personality. On the other hand, I just opened his cage. He's gone. He flies all the way to that high place. That high place where I can't get him. But I'll get them. At least he knows me. At least he knows that he's not gonna eat him. Coco. So most of the Sunday, I give time to them. I give them free flights. I let them do whatever they want, and I have fun with them. So I just wanted to share with you guys how I spend my time with Coco and Lolo. I couldn't record everything. I couldn't show everything, but I showed what I could, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you know more about Coco and Lolo, if you want to watch more about them, then I'll try my best. And please subscribe. Please give a like. See you in the next video.